Good evening. We continue our breaking coverage of today's monumental historic decision by the Supreme Court to overturn Roe v. Wade. Not a surprise given the leak of that draft opinion a couple of months ago, but still very highly emotional no matter what side of the issue people are on. Among those reacting to today's decision are prosecutors and district attorneys across the country who would be charged with prosecuting these cases if an abortion ban were to be put into place in each individual state. But some prosecutors, including the Marion County prosecutor, Ryan Mears, here locally, well, he says he's just not going to do it. Take a listen.
It should not be a priority of the prosecutor's office or law enforcement to second-guess the decisions and choices made by healthcare professionals. Everybody here realizes that we have a number of challenges in Marion County. One of those challenges is not incarcerating doctors and nurses. I think as we just came out of a pandemic, all of us learned the importance of our healthcare providers, the contribution that they make to our community, and to now criminalize them for healthcare decisions that they make with patients is not something that the Marion County Prosecutor's Office needs to be involved in. It's not something that law enforcement needs to be involved in. And I think it's important that we send that message here today.
And what he said there was very similar to his stance on prosecuting marijuana cases. If you'll remember, he said he has long said that they're just not going to focus on that. Instead, they are going to focus on other priorities, namely violent crime here in Marion County. Ann?
Yeah, we're talking about this an issue going back to the states. When you hear something like that, this is something but potentially could be going back county by county in Indiana.
That's right. In fact, it really is. It was a national issue, right? And the Supreme Court overturned it, which gives it back to the states. Each state will determine what it wants to do. But now you're hearing from these prosecutors, as you did with Ryan Mears today, who said we're not going to prosecute it. So really, this issue comes down to a county by county level. It'll be really interesting to see how each individual county prosecutor feels about this as we go forward.
All right, thanks so much, Dustin. And again, as he said earlier, state lawmakers do reconvene on this issue starting July 6th.